today's St. Patrick's Day. Happy St. Patty's Day. This is like the only green I had. Well, you know, if you're watching this, then it's Thursday and it's not St. Patrick's Day. So this is the past. Anyways, hope you liked that video, that intro. That was Gabe's Corvette. We just finished the Miami theme. Maybe, has it been 2 weeks already? About 2 weeks ago. I was kind of waiting for him to release it on his page before showing that video. So there it is, the full video. Really fun project. I'm hoping to make another video with this one, but this has to be finished first, so let's finish it. So currently, basically this side is done. I'm just focused on finishing the calipers. I gotta do the other two calipers. I wanna do that first while the car is in the air. Then I'm gonna take the car out, flip it around, and start working on the other side. I ordered the front and rear bumpers today, so that should be coming in either by, I don't know, Friday or Monday. Usually it takes forever for print, but we're making pretty good progress. And yesterday we checked out this car. This car was full of bondo everywhere. Check it out, how he fixed it up. I mean, a lot better than before. Everything's aligned, no more bondo. It's a lot smoother. You just sand this down and then paint it. Oh man, did some pretty good work. So I noticed that this piece, it was broken here. I guess the clips are just old and it snapped. So I'm sealing those together now, it's drying. But I also noticed that when you close the door, you still see yellow. So close the door. It's an old sounding door. Still see yellow. Don't worry about that, I'm gonna put another inlay in here, but still see yellow. I wanna cover that. It's not gonna go to the bottom. I don't care about any of this because the side skirt goes there, but this is pretty obvious, and I'm just gonna fix that real quick. The owner pointed this out, which is just a bunch of little paint chips. I guess this was repainted or it's OEM, I'm not too sure, but this is peeling. So what I do in this case is I sand this down, because if I wrap it, it's gonna be the same thing as, you know, like the body panels, you're gonna see it. I'm gonna sand this smooth and wrap this panel in black. pretty much it for today. I really only worked on this side because there was a couple issues putting everything back together and things like that. So I have to do the other two calipers and start taking apart the rest of the car so we can start wrapping. Yeah, pretty good day.